Hey guys, welcome back. Apparently it's starting to snow in late April here in Ohio, but we got a gorgeous day and I got a lot of stuff I got to get done in the shop. So we're gonna kind of be all over the place in this video, so enjoy. Hey guys, next step, got some MDF board right here. We have to make some molds so we can make more charcuterie boards. Let's get to it. Well, with the way prices are right now, I'm trying to reuse every last piece I have, so we're gonna make a 7 by 13.5 mold. And this is gonna be for like, it's almost like a river picture frame type thing, but you'll see it in a future video. But alright, so we're going to cut those dimensions out right now. Okay, the next part, we're gonna tape every piece that's going on the inside of the mold with tuck tape. If you don't have this, regular packing tape will do. Okay, I've already started one side, but try to make some room for you. So I'm gonna pre-drill some holes. Excuse me. I'm gonna pre-drill some holes in this one. Then I'll put a layer of caulk, lay it on top, and then screw down. Okay, next step, I'm going to fill all this in with fresh caulk, and then I'll probably hit the backside and outside, because once this super clear epoxy starts running, there's no way of stopping it. So you want to make sure that when you do these, that it's all secure, tightened up. So I'd rather spend money on caulk than spend a ton of money on that epoxy. So we'll fill this up. Now, a lot of times I'm not the prettiest one at doing caulk, so I'll usually have some excess. So I'll take my scraper and I'll just scrape out the excess and wipe it on a towel. Okay, so we got a lot done today. We got both molds completed. I just showed you how to build this one. Same thing, just bigger. The one difference is I decided to put the sides on top and to use pocket screws to clamp it all together. But either way is fine, as long as that the screws don't come out. You'll be all good. And then the other one, we got this nice cutting board completed. We got the walrus oil, which is mineral oil, food grade. And then I threw on 2 coats of Howard's beeswax, and that thing is smooth as glass. And then I know we didn't show anything for this. I'm just trying to get this done pretty quick. It's for one of my buddies before a wedding. So this is going to be a bourbon barrel Lazy Susan. I'll get the metal stripping that'll go all the way around. And I have the bottom piece in which it rotates that we have to put on tomorrow. So we got some things to complete. So sorry there's no like real structure to this video, but I figure I could show you guys what's going on and we can have a little fun. So alright, so it's getting pretty late today. We'll continue this tomorrow, and I'll also show you the plants. They're getting pretty big, so we're probably gonna have to repot them pretty soon. So alright, I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, everybody. These things are growing very quickly, except for this guy. He was over here, so I threw him over here. Hopefully more will start sprouting up today, but yeah, I might need to add a little water. The other two, they're still moist. So I bought deeper boxes, so I'll probably throw some dirt in that and bring it back to the house today and repot at least some of these guys and some of these, and then I'll let this one continue to stay underneath the lid. We're getting real close to building the raised garden beds. If only the snow would go away, which should be gone by tomorrow at least. It's supposed to heat up pretty good, so I'm excited. Let's keep this rolling. Okay, we're heading back to Menards. I need to pick up, hopefully they have it, the metal stripping that goes around the bourbon barrel Lazy Susan. So cross your fingers. All right, we're here. Let's see if we save some big money at Menards. Oh boy, I think I did save big money at Menards. What a good day. All right, let's get back to the shop. Get this show on the road. Okay guys, we're back at the shop again, and I got a little treat for you. Originally I was gonna go with the other Lazy Susan, but I saw this at Menards and it was a lot easier than just trying to find the metal stripping. So let's go check it out. So here is what I picked up at Menards. So this is a Jack Daniel's bourbon barrel, or excuse me, whiskey barrel. And this is what we're gonna make our Lazy Susan out of instead of this guy right here. I do have other plans for it. I will have another video for it. maybe sometime next week, but for now, we're gonna mostly focus over here. So what we'll end up doing is we'll end up cutting somewhere right around here. I probably do have to let this dry out. It was sitting outside. As you can tell, there's a little bit of char residue still left in there. So it's gonna have a lot of charm. It's gonna be really cool. So let's get to work. Okay, so the plan is we're probably gonna take our jigsaw, and right above where the metal meets the wood, we'll cut a line right along there. If you have any other ideas for what I should use for the rest, let me know down in the comments. What I was thinking was possibly taking these staves, flattening them out, and making cutting boards or something like that. But I don't know, if you have an even better idea, let me know. So one thing I did notice just drilling that hole right now is you can really get the smell of whiskey off this thing. This thing's authentic. Alright, so I decided to make a switch. Go with circular saw. It's a lot easier. Just be careful, keep your fingers out of the way. This thing likes to dance. Maybe I will go and get the Sawzall. Okay, so here's the char that I was talking about. I'll probably have to sand it, so we'll lose some of that, but it's still got a lot of character. And I gotta finish trimming the sides up, make it nice and even. But other than that, this thing's gonna be really nice. So the circular saw was not the best as I thought it would be. When you were doing it, I'd say drill a hole like we did. Open up some space with your jigsaw, or if you can get another smaller saw like a coping saw in there. Score it out a bit until you can actually get the blade from your Sawzall in, and the Sawzall is the way to go. For me, that really was the easiest. But I'm gonna end this video here, and on the next video we'll pick up with sanding and finishing off this Lazy Susan. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you'd like to help support the channel, I have a Teespring and an Etsy account. I have the links below for that. If you'd like to purchase something like this, I have plenty of other stuff, or just get a t-shirt. Everything that you buy goes straight to the shop and really helps me build, because I really want to get out of my buddy's garage and open up my own place soon. So any help is greatly appreciated. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, hit the little bell to be notified for every video that I put out. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks a lot.